whatever this brother shows, padam dua benda, that it resembles the heart of Allah.
Saya nak kongsi
It resembles the heart of Allah. So, iyalah, can't dispute. Heart doesn't exactly look like that. It resembles. It's not exactly macam Allah punya tulisan lah. Tapi cuma, it resembles. There's so many similarities. Now, the one who did it, the one who prepared that logo, maybe he did it consciously for whatever reason he wants Allah to be stepped on every day. Or maybe it is a coincidence. We don't know. But now, it has come to spread, it has come to awareness. This guy highlighted, fine, for whatever his motivations are, he highlighted. Some Muslims will appreciate that. Okay? Now, what can Muslims do now to react to this? Tak payah nak marah, nak bakar kasut semua kan? Kalau orang nak pakai, in whatever country, they want to put Allah kat kaki ke, kat mana ke, suka hatilah dia lah yang disrespect the nama ke, the khat ke. But Allah is Allah. Allah tak kena pijak. Allah tak boleh dipijak. Allah is God. It is, not something tangible. Tulisan tu is describing, Allah. Alif, lam, lam, ha. It describes Allah. It is in an Arabic text to say it is a great one. So, sama macam kalau you bubuh kat kasut you, the great one, you pijak. So, English pun, you pijak tu. Which great one you pijak? You pijak the perkataan yang referring to the great one. That's it. So therefore, ada Allah kat situ. So kalau siapa Muslim nak pakai, pakailah. It's okay. You bukan pijak Allah pun. Kalau you betul-betul niat nak pijak Allah, you make sure you tulis betul-betul Allah situ, you pijak pun, in that case, stupid. Hari-hari, if you ask me, orang memang Muslim banyak pijak Allah, buat benda pelik-pelik, bagi hina agama dia, bagi orang jelek kat Islam. People do this all the time. And itulah the definition of pijak and kencing kat agama kita. Agama kita ni bila-bila pun orang jadi bahan tertawa, orang gelak. Tak habis-habis, tak sudah-sudah. The most intolerant, the most sensitive, so easily irritated and provoked, and respond so with hostility and violence. And, orang sampai heran, agama ni, agama apa ni? Apa punya Islam ni? So unstable. Tapi kata agama, religion of peace. Where is the peace? Orang pijak kain yang ada tulisan Arab apa pun, oh, mereka pijak Islam now. Bangkitlah orang Islam. Kita kena lawan, takut apa, takut mati, takut... Even perempuan cakap macam tu. So to me lah, kita punya ummah dah sesat sangat dah. Dah terlampau sesat dah. And sekarang ni, with regards to this Nike punya kasut, MX lah apa semua, you carilah macam mana, there will always be something that resembles something. You tengok dalam all the videos ataupun gambar-gambar, tengok dalam internet pula. So many awan bentuk muka orang, bentuk kereta, bentuk tulisan Jesus, bentuk semua. Whenever our minds will always associate certain shapes yang lebih kurang sama to excite. Either to get marah, to get seronok, to get excited, whatever lah. So this is a phenomenon that will exist throughout our lifetime. Okay? So, kalau ada benda tu kat kasut MX, siapa Muslim nak pakai, dia tak rasa dia nak insult agama dia ke, Allah dia ke, pakai je lah. So, what's the issue? Muslim rasa, ini memang Allah terbalik, dia rasa suspect, insidious ke apa. Jangan beli, jangan pakai. That's it. Move on. Move along. You tak payah nak sibuk. You cannot be controlling every single thing yang ada rupa atau bentuk macam Allah kat mana-mana pun. Kalau anjing berak pun, dia berak, dia berak the pattern of, bentuk Allah. So what, you nak tembak bakar anjing tu? I mean, I won't be surprised lah kalau Muslims buat macam tu. This is, this is weird. At the end of the day, can't we just live normal lives? Live a normal life and don't bother benda-benda macam ni. At the end of the day, you want to profess your religion, you want to practice your religion, practice in peace, quietly, away from others, and jangan shove it down other people's throat, and tak payah cucuk sama siapa pun. And if Muslims can learn to do that, there'll be less hatred towards Islam, there will probably be even less provocation. Tapi ini benda orang tak provoke pun, you get over-provoked, and you make the world know that you are so unstable and so, I don't know lah. I don't know what's the word to even describe lah. Macam nak meletup saja. Anytime can just go lunatic and can go, to try to be a martyr and, damage and bomb the whole world. Macam tu punya kind of, you project that religion teaches that. This is truly sad and pathetic. And I don't know lah. I don't know how Muslims will react to this Nike punya kasut ni. There will, in coming days, in coming weeks and months, there will be more and more lah. Ada benda yang resemble, ada yang terbikai pun bentuk Allah. Idea dia, benda tu dah jadi macam joke lah. People now make content about benda macam ni. And, last kali Islam jadi bahan for content, for comedy. Inilah what Muslim Ummah have reduced Islam to. And to me, this is the real definition of pijak nama Allah, is kencing atas Islam. Inilah the real definition of it. What have we done? Tepuk dada, tanya selera.
if you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.